Did you know that cough can cure at home?
Really?
If you are interested, just watch till the end. 5 home remedies that can rid your cough at home. Number 5. Salt and water. Did you know this simple remedy is one of the most effective for treating a sore throat and wet cough? Yes, salt water reduces phlegm and mucus in the back of the throat, which can lessen the need to cough. When you do it at your home, stir a half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Allow the solutions to cool slightly before using it to gargle. Gargle with the salt water several times each day until the cough improves. Number 4. Steam therapy. You may also add this on your list. Just make a steam bowl. To do this, fill a large bowl with hot water, add herbs or essential oils such as eucalyptus or rosemary, which may also relieve the congestion. Lean over the bowl and place a towel over the head. This traps the steam. Inhale the vapors for 5 minutes. Number 3. Fluids. Staying hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Drinking liquid at room temperature can alleviate a cough, runny nose, and sneezing. However, people with additional symptoms of cold or flu may benefit from warming their beverages. You may also add hot beverages in your recipe, such as liver broths, herbal teas, decaffeinated black tea, warm water, warm fruit juice. Number 2. Ginger. Do you think ginger can help relieve cough? Let's find out. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membranes in the airways, which could reduce coughing. How to do it? Brew up a soothing ginger by tea, adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe a cough. Wow, we're in the last remedies. Number 1. Honey. According to some research, honey may relieve coughs. The researchers reported that honey provided the most significant relief from coughing. Since honey is the low cost and widely available, it might be worth to try. How to make it? Mix 2 teaspoons with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Finally, all these remedies definitely you can found in your house or in your garden. But if the cough is too hard and it's life-breaking endlessly, you need to consult with her, the doctor. Now you find this video interesting? Just comment down below.